Pak, pak.
Ano na siya wala?
Diba mga wala pa may nakaiusang una na. May
Oo.
kasi, no? Ang
Yeah.
gold, diba, no?
Ara mo na apartment to? Yay! Finally, nakakadto na din sila.
Ha! Ayo!
Welcome
Welcome to Parok! Tompok!
Puro Okay man. Carry on. Yay. Ang volleyball pareho ko na.
What a coincidence!
Ano ka stripe kay Gab? Kasama. Pero na...
Ipakita ko yung nail.
Sa amin yung second coffee shop. Nearby sa akong balay. Sa tungao na mo ng... Ari naman to sa tunga-tunga. Tama ba itong ginagawa ko? Ay, hindi. Ari ko. Mga mat pa naman yung ako na ito. Ay, nali.
We look and we don't judge.
Okay. Go. What time na?
Uy!
What time na?
Sige, Charles.
Oh. Imo na rin ko. Okay ka.
Ay,
Ano ba?
paano kami? Mapatalat. Oy, partnerให้นี่เลยฮะนี่กาแฟ
Burlesque.
Oo, wala mo?
Christina Aguilera. Okay na to!
Mommy Grace. Mommy Grace yarn. Hi. Let's eat. Mute ko lang.
Bako siya nga. Kabalo ko nga, ang dream mo man banahaw.
Oo.
So, fulfilling man for me. Bako siya. Dito sa nag-ibig mo.
Kita ko do. Kumbaga siya tumupad ng
Oo.
pangarap mo.
Di ba tuon? Ako di man una-una. Ang pabangkok di ho. Ako man to una-una. Tapos susunod man na sila.
We're going to a cafe nearby sa Bangko Station.
Are we there yet?
สถานีบางโอ้ก็มาทำอีกได้กูตัวมันเกิน Hi. Here.
We made it.
We're going upstairs. May vacant na seats.
왜 저는 제가 들으면서 may din hawal.
Okay, so we have tiramisu cake and Rocky cake. So we are now eating Rocky cake. What is your rate? 1 to 10.
The most crispy.
You have to comment.
Ring. 8.
8.
For me, 10.
May bago kami galingan. Recruit. What is your rate? 1 to 10?
This one, it's 10.
10. For me, it's 8. Yeah. Our next cake to rate is tiramisu cake. Okay, kawit pa muna. Okay, ikaw nag-una, naka-eat. Para si mo ano na.
It's 8 for me.
Eh,
What's this one?
tiramisu cake.
Ah,
It tastes like coffee, of course.
Italian dessert.
Oh, it's kinda, ano.
It's kind of what?
Lasang coffee siya.
This is the cake that you're trying to look for. There's this cake, but I don't know if it will kick you.
Perfect.
Okay, so how's your rate for this?
It's kinda like ice cream. It's and with a coffee, you know.
Coffee
blend.
crumble.
It's an egg yolk. It's
So for me, it's
That's
nice.
what
It's
the
It's
guy
mine,
told us.
but I do like it.
9, 10.
For
me, it's
egg yolk and what's the other
Egg
one?
corn, something?
Egg yolk and corn.
No? Ano
Egg
naman?
yolk and
The base.
corn.
But my rate for this one
There's no corn.
is
There's no
Nami lang sa
what he meant
Was?
was egg core. The core inside is egg.
egg core.
Core.
Sheesh.
Ah,
So there's
very
egg.
wrong pa talaga dahil.
Mm-mm. For me, it's 9 too.
Grabe.
Okay, so now we're going to rate our drinks.
Yeah.
3 of us got burnt caramel. What's a burnt caramel? Huh? Rate. This one is 10. Bon got Santa Baby.
Yeah, it's Santa
It's composed
Baby,
of-
and you can sing with the Santa Baby. Out of 10, I'm gonna rate it like 8.
Ocho. How about your burnt caramel matcha? 10.
8 for me.
It's a 10 for me.
Mas better, not-shoot lang siya.
Hot.
Ito eh.
Di ba wala na kaganaan na?
Very
But
light
here-
pa.
Ah,
Basta magkuhan niya.
wag ko tumulong eh.
Ano ba, uban ba?
Ah.
Because
Tagal ko sa iya kasing nakakita ilaw na yung koy yung totally tama. Huwag mo ka na tingala ko pag